Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth heritage review about this Hatch-based Linux distro to help you decide which of these distro will be a better choice for you. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about this base Linux distro, which is CachyOS and Manjaro. So CachyOS is all about speed and modern hardware optimization, which with a custom kernel, CPU specific build, and a tweak aimed at gaming and performance. It delivers a super snappy experience. The Pro also comes with excellent performance, hardware optimization, and a lot of customization. And the downside is that it's more hands-on, less beginner friendly, and update can sometimes break things if you are not careful. So talking about Manjaro, meanwhile, focus on balance and accessibility. It offers polished desktop environment, a graphical package manager, and more stability thanks to delay update. The pros are user-friendly and solid hardware detection and a smoother out-on-the-box experience. Talking about the downside, it comes with a slower update compared to Hatch and fewer performance optimization than CachyOS. So if you want raw speed and choose CachyOS, but if you value stability and ease of use, Manjaro is still safer bet for you on that aspect. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more reviews.